Welcome friends. In this tutorial we'll learn about the strings. The focus of this tutorial is on class design using Python's str class as an example and exploring the role of special methods in Python. First of all, we see how to create a strings. You can create a string by using the constructor as follow. We declare s1 is equal to str and s2 is equal to str and welcome. In other way, Python provides a simple syntax for creating a string object by using a string value. For example, s1 is blank string and s2 is equal to welcome. A string object is immutable. Once it is created, its contents cannot be changed. To optimize performance, Python uses a one object for string that have the same content. Next, we see the concatenation and repetition operator. You can join or concatenate two strings by using the concatenation operator, means the plus operator. You can also use the repetition operator to concat the same string to multiple times, means multiple operator. Now we see the in and not in operator. You can use the in and not in operators to test whether a string is in another string. Here are some example. As is equal to input, enter a string. If Python in s, then print the Python and is in, else the Python is not in. Now we see how to compare the two strings. You can compare the strings by using the comparison operator like double equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to and greater than equal to. Suppose you need to compare the strings s1 Jan with s2 Jack. The first character J versus J, S1 and S2 are compared because they are equal. The second two character A versus A are compared because they are equal. The third word two character N has a greater ASCII value than K. S1 is greater than the S2. Then we see the formatting string. There are many functions for formatting the string. First one is center. This function is returns a copy of the string center in a field of the given width. The second one is ljust, returns a string left justified in a field of the given width. The next one is rjust, it gives returns a string right justified in a field of the given width. And the format function, it format a string. Now we do some practically. Now we see practically how the simple string is work. First of all, we initialize s is equal to welcome and hit enter. Then write len into bracket s and press enter. It gives us 7. It is the length of the string. Then write the max in the bracket s and press enter and hit enter. Lowercase letters have a higher ASCII value than the uppercase letter, so we have the get the answer W. Then we write the mean function s. It gives the answer as C. Now we see the example of concatenation and repetition operators. We initialize s1 is equal to welcome, s2 is equal to Python. Now we have write the s3 is equal to s1 plus in double quoted 2 plus s2, enter, and we write to print s3 where our output is welcome to Python. As same, we initialize s4 is equal to s1 into 3 and hit the enter and print the s4, so our output is welcome is print for the 3 time. This is the basic of the strings. Thank you friends.